today. Last week we told you that Florida is the worst in the country for tax return identity theft. But there are some ways to make sure that no one steals your money when you file your taxes this year. Financial expert Joe Bert, the Oracle of Orlando, Certified Financial Group, is here with us this morning. Okay, Joe, big idea here is to not procrastinate. Why is that so important?
Well, because if somebody gets ahead of the line in front of you, files your tax return, you're toast. I mean, you can file your tax return right on time, pay your taxes as you should, but if somebody is filed using your name and social security number, that's all they need. Not even your address, John, files a false tax return, you're toast, because they're going to get a nice little check.
And the IRS is going to get your information later and say, wait a second, you've already filed. You got the refund, and by that point they're gone.
And even if you're not due money, if they file a false tax return with false information, in other words, how much income you've earned and how many dependents you have, it's worth about $9 grand. File a half a dozen of those a year, you're in good shape for the year. That's tax-free money coming back.
Yeah. So all they need, some basic information. It happens quite a bit. What about these? You see a lot of services out there that say, hey, we'll protect you, nothing to worry about. You like them?
I like them. In fact, I use one, LifeLock. You probably heard us seen it a lot. And what that does, but it doesn't protect you with the IRS. They don't talk to each other. But what it does protect, if somebody steals your identity, you may not even know it, and they're opening up credit cards, getting car loans, and then you go to try to rent an apartment, buy a car, get a loan, and you find somebody's been using your identity. This is the biggest problem we face in this country. There's more security breaches now than ever.
And you said it's interesting. They don't even need your address, because they don't want your address. They want the check sent to a P.O. box, which they've set up.
Exactly. Last year there were 15 million false tax returns filed.
15 million?
15 million. Wow. The IRS has about 4,000 employees now dedicated to this problem, and it's only getting larger.
Why is it so bad here in Florida, though, with us leading the nation?
Well, I think a couple of reasons. Number one, senior citizens oftentimes pray for this kind of scam. And number two, sunshine. If you're going to be a crook, would you rather be in Florida or Michigan? So, you know, you get the senior citizens and sunshine is just a great combination.
All right, Joe Bert, what's your website in case people want to check you out?
Financialgroup.com, John.
All right, thank you. Always good to see you. Luann, over to you.
Good stuff, gentlemen. Thank you.